Welcome to Next Gen Mansions, the ultimate destination for exploring the most extraordinary meets reality, where architecture becomes art and where every corner reflects luxury at its peak. You're in the right place. Today, we're taking you on a tour of a mansion concept that goes beyond imagination. A creation so unique that it fuses wildlife, underwater wonder, and architectural brilliance into one spectacular masterpiece. Imagine this. A gigantic dinosaur-shaped structure, standing majestically in the heart of a vast estate. But this is no ordinary dinosaur. Its entire internal body has been transformed into a colossal, crystal-clear aquarium. The water inside sparkles under the afternoon sunlight, teeming with colorful tropical fishes, luminous corals, aquatic plants, and even small, glowing underwater trees. As you gaze upon it, the dinosaur doesn't just look alive, it feels like a living, breathing ecosystem suspended in time. Wrapping around this magnificent creature is a grand spiral staircase crafted with golden accents and intricate artistic details. Each step leads you upward, guiding you on a journey from the aquatic world below to the pinnacle of human innovation above. The staircase alone feels like a bridge between nature and luxury, connecting the wonders of life under the water to the ultimate expression of architectural beauty perched atop the dinosaur. And what sits atop this colossal dinosaur? None other than the world's most beautiful house, a mansion so expansive, so luxurious, and so visually stunning that it redefines the very concept of a home. This isn't just a building, it's a work of art. Stretching far wider than the dinosaur beneath it, this mansion boasts panoramic glass walls that reflect the sunlight in a dazzling display, floating terraces that offer breathtaking views, and flowing architectural curves that merge futuristic elegance with the grandeur of royal design. Crystal domes and golden pillars accentuate the structure, while wide-open balconies invite you to enjoy the afternoon breeze and the magnificent view of the estate below. Surrounding the mansion, the outdoor environment complements the extraordinary design. Picture stylish shops lining the spacious paths, luxury coffee lounges perfect for sipping your favorite drinks while admiring the view, open-air dining spaces with elegant tables for hosting unforgettable meals, and exotic cars parked along the terraces. Decorative trees and lush greenery complete the scene, blending nature with modern luxury in perfect harmony. Every detail has been thoughtfully designed to create an atmosphere of exclusivity, sophistication, and vibrant lifestyle living. And from the glowing aquarium inside the dinosaur to the oversized, breathtaking mansion on top, every element of this design speaks to a vision where imagination knows no bounds. The combination of living aquatic life, majestic creature-inspired architecture, and the ultimate human-designed luxury house makes this concept not just unique, but absolutely one of a kind. It's a place where dreams meet reality, a space that challenges the limits of what we consider possible in residential design. The style of this extraordinary mansion combines the very best of futuristic architecture with the timeless elegance of royal design. Imagine sleek glass walls that curve gracefully around the structure, reflecting the afternoon sunlight and giving the entire estate a luminous, ethereal glow. The floating terraces extend beyond the edges of the mansion, creating spaces for relaxation, entertainment, and social gatherings with breathtaking views of the dinosaur aquarium below. Every corner of the house is designed to maximize natural light, allowing the sunlight to dance across the glass and golden accents, creating an ambiance of pure luxury and serenity. And inside, the mansion is a harmonious blend of modern innovation and artistic grandeur. Spacious living areas boast high ceilings and open layouts that allow for seamless movement from room to room. Each suite is furnished with the finest materials, from polished marble floors to handcrafted wooden accents, combining sophistication with comfort. The master bedroom features panoramic views of the dinosaur aquarium, making it feel as though you're floating above a living underwater kingdom. Bathrooms are equipped with glass bathtubs and infinity showers that overlook the estate, creating a spa-like experience every day. NNTHE kitchen is a chef's dream. Ultra-modern appliances, sleek countertops, and expansive islands allow for both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Dining areas flow effortlessly into outdoor terraces, where family and guests can enjoy meals while overlooking the sprawling estate. Entertainment spaces include home theaters with advanced sound systems, music lounges, and gaming areas that cater to every type of luxury lifestyle. Every detail, from the lighting fixtures to the furniture design, has been carefully curated to reflect a balance of opulence, comfort, and artistic sophistication. NNTHE estimated value of such a property would easily place it among the most expensive and exclusive residences in the world. Considering the scale, uniqueness, and architectural complexity, the price could reach into hundreds of millions of dollars, a true collector's masterpiece that transcends conventional luxury real estate. But beyond its monetary value, the mansion offers an unparalleled lifestyle, blending imagination, nature, and design in ways never
At the
seen
end, I
before.
would like from you
NAs for the
which one
location. Imagine this
stairs
awe-inspiring
would
creation
you
set
like
on a
a
vast
lot,
private estate,
and
perhaps nestled on the edge of a scenic
never forget
coastline
to
or
subscribe my
atop a
YouTube
hill
channel
overlooking a pristine
and
valley.
must comment below
The
which
surrounding
one likes
landscape
you
is
a
carefully
lot.
designed to complement the
Elephant
mansion,
shaped,
with
lion
manicured
shaped,
gardens, reflective
hippo
pools,
shaped,
walking
and
paths,
more
and
and
natural
more.
features that integrate
So it's our
seamlessly
today's
into the
video.
environment.
I hope you enjoyed a lot. If you enjoyed a lot, then comment me in the comment box. If you liked this video, then my coming videos like this. So subscribe my YouTube channel and never forget to click bell icon button, because it helps when I upload new video, then auto came to your YouTube account notification form. So must watch my previous videos. Thank you.